So good day, guys. This is the sliced beef right here, and look at all the food right here. Plus, there's a wine and the salad. So I put a bit of oil in the cooking pot. This is the water, by the way. Put a bit of oil in the cooking pot right here. So right here, normally I cut onion and carrot and potato and whatever, and garlic as well. But today just simple soup, like this. I put some sliced beef in there. So right here, Amke's kitchen. Whoa. So that's on the main, by the way. Right here. Just like so. Beautiful. Look at all this. Look at all this. My God. So right here, and then you put the frozen cauliflower in there. I should have done this properly, but I can't be stuffed. Cutting up some onions and carrot and garlic. So right here, now, I'm gonna be gentle with you guys. So, I'm gonna put some garlic powder, like so. And cheap like pepper as well. So right here, and put the taste, and put the salt for the taste, and put some sweet paprika on there. That's right. Then, and last, put some vegetable. That's right. Then you gotta stir it really well. So right here, now you put some, you put 5 cups of water, just coffee cups, right here, and bring it to the boil. So right here, guys, now put some butter, you see, and garlic powder, sweet paprika, and vegetable. I should have put more salt. I forgot about it. So I'm going to do it right now. I'll show you. Just like this. That's enough. Beautiful. So now put some Italian tomato paste. So there you go, Italian tomato paste. So you gotta stir it. So the tomato paste goes liquidish color, know what I mean? You can even stir it like this. So right here, now I'm gonna put arboreal rice in there. Amke's kitchen, right there. So right here, again, you gotta stir it. That's all. That's so beautiful. Look at it. Oh my God, sheep man. I'm a sheep man. Right here, guys. Look, there's a salad. My mom's kitchen made this. Homemade. Pickled capsicums. With garlic, of course. Eggs. Pasta and veggies. Potato and what's it called? Cheese and mayo underneath. And this is chicken thighs and chicken giblets. Right? This, my God, is the best of the best. So mine, guys. So right here, guys, and don't forget you have to stir constantly until it comes to the boil, because the rice will stick at the bottom. Do you understand? And now, when it comes to the boil it for 15 minutes. Amke! Skitchy! Whoa. It's alright here, guys. Just have a look at the shape. It's cooked after 15 minutes on the main demand. Amke! Skitchy! Whoa. Right here. Don't forget to turn on the safe. Look, let's crack a party. See you later.